Good morning, myself Prahalad Badkar. This is one of the example related to cams. Okay, I'll read the problem. Draw the profile of the cam operating a knife edge follower. They gave one as a knife edge follower having a lift of 60 mm. The cam rises the follower with a SHM for the 150 degree of the rotation followed by the a period of del for a 60 degree. The follower descends for next 120 degree rotation of the cam with a uniform velocity. The cam rotates at a uniform velocity of 120 rpm. As the least radius of the cam is they given as a 40 mm. Okay. Then solution, the given as a knife edge follower. The lift of the follower is the given as a 60 mm. The ascend of that is a ascending of the follower is a 150 degree, that is a SHM only. This is a delta 1, that is a dull period. Then this is a descending, that is a constant velocity or uniform velocity. You can say that is a uniform velocity. Then radius of the cam, that is RC, that is a 40 mm. Then remaining is a dull period, comes as a 360 minus remaining 150 plus 60 divided this plus 120, it comes as a 30 degree. First I'll draw the SHM, that is a displacement diagram. Okay, you draw it. I'll take it as a lift of the 4 mm, that is a 4 centimeter. That is a lift of the follower is a 6 centimeter. They are given. I'll draw that one, 6 centimeter. Then you have to take as a compass for the SHM. You take it as a radius as a 3 centimeter, and you draw the one circle, that is a semicircle, that is a radius equal to 3 centimeter, because that is the lift of the follower is given as 60 mm. Half of that means it comes as a 3 centimeter. You draw that semicircle. Okay, you draw properly, that is a semicircle with that one. It comes as a 180. Then you have to divide that one. I'll take it as a n as a 6 for the SHM. Number of divisions, I will take it as a n as a 6. You take it as a 60 degree, that is a 30 30. 180 divided by 6 means it comes as a 30 degree. You make it as 30 degree. Okay, you divide that one semicircle as a 30 degree. Okay, then it comes as a 6 division. You make it. I made as a 6 division. You start from 0. You mention the things 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the lift only you can take a scale. I have taken as a scale for the lift, that is a h. That is a h. For the h, 1 centimeter equal to, I have taken as a 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. For the vertical only you have to take it. Horizontal it is not necessary. Then once again, how many divisions you are made for the S, that is a semicircle, you have to make it as the same division. I will take it as a 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4. Division I have taken as the interval as a 1 centimeter, 6. You start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You make it as a 6 division. The interval should be same. I have taken as a 1 centimeter. It is uniform. You maintain the interval, that is a uniform. Okay, I completed this as a SHM. Then you draw it, you intersect it. Okay, I will intersect the things. It comes as, you intersect this one, 1, intersect, then 4 comes here, 5 you intersect, and you have to join it. Okay, you have to join, you have to intersection 0 0 as it is comes here only, 1 1 intersection is comes as a here 1, 2 2 comes here, 3 3 comes here, 4 4 comes intersection of the 4 4, 5 5, 6 6, and you have to join it. This is a nothing but a SHM curve. I can say this is a SHM curve. then followed by the develop period. They given as a develop period as a 60. You take it as a for to find the things. I'll take it as a this is a develop period, that is a delta 1. This is a I have taken as a ascending. You make it as a this is a 150, that is how much degree, that is a pi a, that is given as a 150 degree. Then del period, then it is a followed by the what, uniform velocity. I will take it as a uniform velocity is a interval as a 0.5. This is whatever the interval you can maintain it for the corresponding motions of the follower. I'll start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 division you have to make it. Okay, here also you can start in this way also. 6 continuous number, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 also. Numbering is not matters, but you have to 6 divisions I made. Numbering also you take it as a continuous, otherwise whatever how you convenient you take that only. Then followed by the del period. Next del period is written as this way. Del period, this is a second del period. This is descending pi d. This is a delta 2. Remaining is a this is a delta 2. This is a delta 2. You mention also. This is a descending, that is a uniform. Uniform velocity means it comes as a descending is, this is comes as a descending is directly you can draw the straight line only. It comes as a straight line. You mention for the return in this way also. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Because I have taken as a 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is a rise. This is I have taken as a return. Okay. Then where the intersection it makes, that is 6, 6. That is a 6 is here. 7, 7 means here 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is a profile of, this is a displacement diagram. I'll go to the cam profile. I'll draw the cam profile. Okay, now I'll go to the cam profile. For this, they given as a radius of the cam is 40 mm. Radius of the cam is given as a 40 mm. I draw the 40 mm here. I will take the radius as a 4 centimeter. Okay, I have taken as a radius as a 4 centimeter. I will complete this one here. I have taken as a 4 centimeter here. You take it as a 4 centimeter. This is the radius of the cam. This is nothing but RC. If you want, you mention this one RC. Okay, then you draw the axis, vertical axis for this also. Then you draw, complete it. Okay, then you made as a, for the rise also you have made as a 150. Same thing, first you have to go for the rise 150 using a protractor. You take it alignment. This is rise is how much, you make it as alignment 150 means it comes here. You measure it here 150. Next is you join this one. This is a 150. This is a rise. I can mention is this is a pi a. Then followed by the what, del period is how much, that is a 60. Followed by the del period is 60. You mention also here 60. Then you draw this also. You extend the line. This is comes as a delta 1. Then once again it followed by the descending is 120. You mention it 120 here. It comes as a here 120. Here also you have to join it. This is a pi d. How much division you have made? You have made as a here n is equal to 6 for the 150 degree. Here also you have to make it as a 6 division. It comes as 120, 150, 150 degree. If you make it as a 150 degree, 150 divided by 6 means it comes as a 25 degree. Then once again you have to mention this one. I will take it this one 25 degree. You make it as alignment. You have to start from the 0 only. You have to start from the 0. This is vertical axis. Okay, I will make as alignment with this vertical. Then 0, 25. Then addition of the 50, that is a 50 comes. Then 75 comes. Then it comes as a 50, 70. Then you add it. It comes as 100, 100, 125. then 150. It comes as a, you start from the numbering as a here 0. This is 0. Start vertical, it comes as a 0. It is a start from the 0 means it is a here only. This is a 1, 2. You mention this is a 3, 4, 5, 6. You extend this one. 1. Extend this one. You draw extend this one where it is a made. You extend the line with the center. Then here also for the 120 also you have to make it as a 6 divisions. For the descending also you will make it as a 6 divisions, because in the follower displacement I made as a 20. It comes as a 20 degree. With alignment you have to make it here. I will take it as a 20, then 40, 60, 80, then 100, 120. Here also I made as a 6, means here also 6, this 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 also. If you are numbering, you start this way also. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and once again you have to pass the line. This is comes as a 0 here. I will take it as a you start it for the descending. I will mark it here also. You extend the line here. Extend the line. Okay, then you have to go for the displacement diagram. I'll take it as a 0, 0 means comes here only, extension. Then 1, 1 you have to take it as a here. Compass you have to take it. You make it as a 1. Here it comes as a 1. You have to keep it as a on the radius. This is comes as a 1. Okay. This is, if you mention, this is a 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash. Here also 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, 12 dash. You have to take these one values 1, 1. Then you have to go for the 2, 2. You take as a compass using this way. This is a length. Then 2, 2. You keep on the radius of the cam. Okay, this is a 2, 2. Then 3, 3. It comes as a 3, 3. Okay, it comes as a 3, 3. 4, 4. You have to take it as a 4, 4. Then 5, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5. Then 6, 6. You have to take as a 6, 6 with radius. You have to keep on the radius. Then you have to join this one. Okay, where it makes an intersection, you have to join it. 0. This comes as a 1 dash. This is a 2 dash. Where it is makes an arc. 4 dash. 5 dash. It comes as a 6 dash. Then you have to join it. You extend a little bit. Then you have to draw the profile of the cam. This is comes as a profile of the cam, where it is an intersection makes. This is a cam profile. For the descending also, you have to take as a displacement. You have to mark here also, and you have to come mark also this one. You have to take for the descending also. You have to take this way. Can you find it? For the constant velocity, return is for the uniform velocity. You have to this one. You have to take it this displacement, and you have to mark with respect to this one. It comes here. Okay. You have to go in this way only. I have taken as a rough only here. You have to join it. It comes as 7, 6. This finally up to this comes. Okay. This is a nothing but a cam profile. For the descending also, you have to make it as the same. You have to take it as a displacement diagram. Okay. I'll stop here only. Thank you.